So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2021 step by step. So I'll do this. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is search for Microsoft Store and then open this. Here you need to search for Office and then click on Microsoft 365 Personal. Once you do this, you have to click on this and then just confirm the payment and do everything, and once you complete the payment it will automatically be added to your library. Here just go over and install it in your PC, and once you complete the installation you can select the version where you want to download 2022 or 2021 or 2024, up to you. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.